No! No! You look so frustrated.
Or because I have a knife in my pocket that I'm not allowed to use. Is this the end?
That's kind of why I wanted to give it to you before Christmas, because I knew you were getting a knife for Christmas.
Yeah, because I didn't already have a knife before.
Okay, well, you're getting a new knife for Christmas.
Can I have a hint?
At what it is, or where the tape...
Where the end is?
There's a lot of ends.
The right end.
There's... Oh, I can't... No! No. Travis?
Yes.
No. No, 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 no.
You really shouldn't do that.
No. I'll take it away from you. Give me the knife.
No.
Give me the knife. You'll get it back whenever you're done.
Hey, there's another name tag.
Is there really?
Yeah, it is.
I didn't realize that I put more than one name tag.
How long did it take me?
About 5 minutes.
How long has it taken me so far?
About 3. Actually, almost 2. But he kind of cheated. He got a hold of one, and it ripped like half of it off, so he could just slide it out. He cheated.
Huh?
He cheated.
Could I would. No,
You're not allowed.
I'm allowed to cheat.
I'll take it back. Receipt's in my room.
Oh, okay. I'll just find out what it is that way.
It doesn't say. It's a gift receipt. No, it's not. Does it sound breakable to you? I don't know whether to laugh or ask if you're okay. Open it! You're gonna have to go to work before
Yeah, you're right.
you get it open. You get 3, don't you?
Yeah.
You have like an hour and a half.
Huh?
You have like an hour and a half.
Let's see
Oh. 10 till 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's like 2 hours.
I see the end, but it's under more tape. I hate you, Jennifer.
You love me.
No, I don't.
You're gonna love me once you get it open.
Once I get it open. Am I allowed to use the knife yet?
No, you're not allowed to use the knife at all. If Nick had to do it without any help, you do too.
Yeah, well, Nick's was easier.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Actually. Okay, I split a whole roll of packaging tape between yours and his. What's that tell you?
You can put more of mine.
Not necessarily. Okay, maybe. Huh?
Pillow.
Hello?
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't think that's the right end yet. That's the end. Ah. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ah.
See, you cheat too!
No. Yeah. I hope it's nothing smashable either. I just smashed it.
It's not.
God. It's really hard on the paper.
Do you realize how many rolls of Sesame Street paper we have? I love you, Travis.
more stuck in paper. Ooh. Ah.
You're at 5 minutes and 17 seconds.
I hate you, Jennifer.
You love me.
It's a lie.
No, it's not.
No, don't stick to that pile of paper. Still hope it's not smashable.
If it was smashable, I wouldn't have done this in the first place. I would put it in a... I would put it in a sturdier box. They did this to me last year with my digital camera, so...
Ugh.
Hey! Look at that! Did I tape that too?
Dang, boxes still tape shut. Oh, that tape's easier. Hope you didn't want that box back.
I wasn't expecting the box back.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Now you gotta flip it over before you open it.
Ooh, 3 now. I lied. Yay!
Okay, I can